Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Roblox Error Code 261 connection problem on your mobile phone. So if Roblox keeps disconnecting or won't let you join games, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is working properly. A slow or unstable network is one of the most common causes of disconnecting and crashing problems. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your connection. Next, if you're using Android, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then choose Manage Apps or All Apps depending on your device. Now, use the search bar at the top, type Roblox and tap on the app when it appears. Inside the app settings, tap Force Stop and Confirm to completely close the app. After that, tap on Storage, then tap Clear Data and select Clear Cache, then Confirm. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the app to crash or fail to load. If you're using iPhone, the best solution is to uninstall and reinstall the app. This clears old data and often fixes small bugs that stop the app from working properly. Next, open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Roblox, and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Usually, updates fix bugs, crashes, and performance issues. If the problem continues, restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix many temporary system glitches. Also, if you're using a VPN, turn it off because VPN connections can sometimes block Roblox servers and cause this issue. Finally, if nothing works, the issue might be from Roblox servers themselves, so try checking the server status and wait until everything is back online. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix Roblox Error Code 261 connection problem on mobile.